Since I have become a parent, it's become apparent. Oh, that's so cheesy. There is this level of tiredness that stays over your life almost as you become a parent. And your time really isn't your own because you have to take care of another human being. So like I'm taking my pre-workout, but it's not gonna hit the same as how it used to hit. There's still gonna be like this slight tiredness. And a lot of that comes from, you can't just work out when you wanna work out. Either I have to work out earlier in the mornings, or I need to work out much later in the evenings, which I really don't wanna do because like if you take 300 milligrams of caffeine or however much it is, before you go to sleep, you're basically not gonna go to sleep and you're gonna screw up your next day. I've also recognized within my workouts that working out, you don't always have to be motivated. If you build it into your schedule the right way, it's something that just has to get done. You don't have to, it doesn't have to be tied to a feeling or to an emotion. And I think that helps you concentrate more. If you're able to actually lock in and not use music to elicit an emotion or not use pre-workout to get motivated, then there's some has to be some benefits to that. There has to be benefits to that. Right now is a season of pre-workout, and then if I can get away from pre-workout, that'd be great. But who doesn't love that feeling of taking some Total War and just slamming it down and you get that, whatever that feeling is, whatever that chemical is, that'll probably have us all die before 70. That is the feeling that I really enjoy. People that are able to film themselves while working out, like, honestly, kudos to you. I just can't, I honestly cannot focus and worry about the shot and worry about, like, keep it running for the entire workout, or at the end of the day, whatever. It's just minimal content. I rather focus on the workout than actually try to like film the workout. I'll get much more out of it if I actually do the workout. Like, today is a very chill day. I'm still in the, why is it so loud? I'm still in the process technically of, well, we're still in the process of moving, so I haven't unpacked all my stuff. So today I have to get on top of that and finish unpacking. I have these like large boxes of just wardrobe stuff. I don't even have enough hangers, but I have to at least sort through it and get some like washing stuff done today. See, this doesn't make sense. I saw this yesterday. 20 bucks for 2.5 pounds of turkey. It's boneless, but that comes out to like $7 a pound versus literally right over here, $3.99 a pound for ground turkey. Like, make it make sense. I'll take 2. All right, Target run is complete. Let's talk about it. I hope that you're gonna learn something very valuable when it comes to either meal prepping or just how to buy food in general. Look at my dog. Look at this mess he has made. Lennox. Okay, all right, buddy. We spent a total of $20. Normally, what? That's like one meal if you go out. If you're going to fast food, that could be like a meal and a half, 2 meals. But look at this, look. $20.89 actually. We got chicken, 2 pounds of ground turkey, so 55 ounces of meat. Let's say you eat 6 ounces of meat per meal. That's 9 meals technically. I can eat one of these in a setting, no problem, no issue. I love eating turkey, it's super easy to digest. But if I was, let's say, meal prepping or whatever, for $20, it's not even for I got other stuff. I got some kombucha, I got an onion, I got some peppers, so I'm gonna make some turkey tacos. I got this delicious healthy kombucha. This is 9 meals worth of food versus me going to In-N-Out, which is right next to Target, like I desperately wanted to, right? But as far as the value you're getting of the cost, the ability to know how many ounces of food you're actually getting. If you go to Chipotle, there is no measurement of how much a scoop of chicken is or a scoop of steak is. There's not a measurement, they don't weigh it. So one person could give you more, one person could give you less. By going to the store and spending less money, it's way more value. The only thing it truly costs you is your time. But if you're prepping all at once, it's just a no-brainer. This is probably gonna be a crazy statement, but this is the 3rd move this year that we've done. So kind of a pro at moving, I would say. Number 1 rule, whenever you are moving, invest in your boxes. This is called a wardrobe box, and you can basically fit your entire closet almost into one of these, especially if you do what I do. I don't put everything on hangers. I just kind of take my drawer and throw the entire thing in here with shoes at the bottom, and then you just carry it.